What's up, guys? I'm gonna make this short. We got about 3 hours left until pricing goes up. I've already actually implemented the new pricing plans, but you can still backdoor it right now for about 3.5 more hours. So you can check out the site here. I've got some demos. I'll be adding some more too. I'll be adding some more funnel building demos and stuff like that. You can check out the system, see some of what we're working on. Check out the reviews here. So I showed you guys the new pricing. This is going into effect tonight at midnight. Right here, this link up at the top is where you can still backdoor the top plan for $47 a month. At midnight tonight, this is going away, and these will be the effective prices. So we'll have 3 pricing plans. We'll have the 47, 67, and 97 a month. And I'll kind of walk you through those real quick. So the 47 a month plan is going to be funnels only. And it's basically unlimited funnels, unlimited sites, unlimited memberships or courses, whatever you want to call it. You'll get a website chat widget, a calendar system, and smart forms and surveys. So that's going to be the funnel plan. It won't have any of the text messaging features. This will be comparable to ClickFunnels $297 a month plan, because you get the unlimited funnels. On their $97 a month plan, you only get 20. So it's a little better than that. The builder is similar. It's not exactly ClickFunnels, but it's very similar in style. So that'll be the funnel plan. I'm going to add an option where you can get a free funnel template as well to start from on this plan. And I might have an upsell in the future for, unlocking additional templates and stuff like that. On the follow-up plan, this is comparable to Chirply Platinum. So you get the CRM and sales pipeline features, SMS calling features, voicemail drops, sales bridge messages. I'm going to add the IVR training on this so you guys can set those up. Trigger links, which is an improvement over Chirply. So when you're doing your SMS messaging, you can add links. If someone clicks a link, that can actually fire actions based on them clicking it. So say you put in your website link, it'll track when they click that, and you can have 1 minute later a text go out and say, hey, I saw you're checking out the site. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message, stuff like that. So that's going to be that plan for the CRM. And follow-up, $67 a month, or the legendary bundle is going to combine both plans and add some additional bonuses here. So I sell just this bundle here, the Genius apps, for $47 a month by themselves. So the legendary bundle is going to be the best value overall. It's going to be combining these 2 plans and adding these bonuses here. So you can kind of check them out below here as well. I've got the backdoor pricing good through, midnight tonight, which will be locking in this legendary bundle pricing. Otherwise, here's the carts for each individual page. So we got the funnel plan, 47 a month, follow-up plan, 67 a month, legendary bundle, 97 a month. I'm going to throw in some additional bonuses just through tonight for anyone who wants to jump in. So if you sign up for the 7-day free trial of the bundle, which will actually be $47 a month through the end of the night, I'm going to throw in the funnel library. So there's going to be over 100 funnels in here. We've already got close to 80 of those done. You'll get all future funnels for free as well. And you can come to this page and check some of these out if you want to. We can preview them here. And these are kind of like high quality templates. They're mobile optimized, ready to go. I will include one for free in the future on the funnel plan, and probably make this an order bump of some type. So this will be for free. You're also going to get the SMS marketing automation course. I'm going to sell this for $27, and this will be a lead magnet. I've also added in the professional IVR training on this, where I walk you through in Twilio how to actually go and set up a professional IVR system, so people can call you and say, hey, press 1 for this, press 2 for this, press 3 for this, and it'll automate functions based on those keys. So that's probably a $97 value alone. That took me 3 days to figure out. I knew it was possible. I had to find, where to go in Twilio, how to upload my MP3s as assets in there. And it was kind of complicated, but I shot a video training walking you through how to do that. So in the future, you'll be able to do that for yourself or others. And I'm also going to throw in a 30-minute Zoom call. So we can talk about whatever you want. We can set something up if you wanted to work on something during that time. I have that as an order bump in here for now for an hour at 97. So you figure 37 is probably $50 for a bonus. So just wanted to add some additional value. I'm looking to try to get at least 3 more people signed up so I can hit my goal of 20 before the 60-day mark. But that's what I got. Pricing is going up at midnight. You can lock in a 7-day free trial and try out the legendary bundle plan for $47 a month. All the additional, bonuses and stuff make this well worth the price tag. I was charging $97 a month just for Chirply in the past, which is pretty much this plan here. It didn't have any of the funnel features, and that didn't include any of the Genius apps. So with that being said, I'm going to jump off here for now. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message or drop a comment, and I'll get back to you. Appreciate you guys. Stay legendary, and hope to see you on the inside soon.